Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Leslie. If you haven't been here before, you wandered across my little corner of the internet. Today, I want to talk about a few things. If you'll excuse me, my voice is very rough and my throat is sore, so I'm drinking tea while I talk to you. So, the surprise store that I went to that I did not know carried crafting supplies and novels. I picked up a ton of books to read at prices that were absolutely incredible. But I was also surprised very pleasantly by the amount of crafting supplies at this store. And it is Home Sense. That's right, folks. They have a whole crafting supplies section. Everything from nice pens to write with, to markers, to different kind of gimmicky things, to craft mats, to I saw stamp set like stamp pads. I didn't see necessarily stamps, but when I talked to one of the women there, they said it's constantly rotating. They don't know what they're going to get. It's always a pleasant surprise. So, if you're looking, say, for a nice set of markers, they had a 200-piece set for $40. Sure, they're not going to be your name brand necessarily, but they're going to work great. How do I know? I bought a set for my granddaughter, um, and she is loving them. They are going through the paper, but I think that's because she is using a cheaper book from Timu to learn to color animate. So keep that in mind. But really and honestly, if you're looking for unique things, markers, pens, they had glues, that kind of thing, or if you're like me and you like to read, check out HomeSense. Now, this is the one in Canada. I don't know if there's a HomeSense in the US, but if there is, check it out. You may be pleasantly surprised. So, what did I get while I was there? Well, like I said, I got the markers, but she's asleep right now. It's very early in the morning for her, and so I'm not going in her room to get them. But I also got this awesome planner. Now, I have the ability to make my own, and I will be, but this is what I'm going to base it off of. This planner comes with to-do lists on the front. It runs from August 2026 till January 2028, which I love. It's got the nice cardboard front. And then, of course, from the desk of if lost, please contact. You've got all your mini calendars. You've got all your holidays, including the US ones. And then we go into the monthly, like the important dates, the one that you really want to keep track of in, certain months. I will be adding to it because, of course, guys, we're in July and Christmas is coming. So I need to get my holiday planner set up. And then we have our weekly with plenty of space. I love, love, love this. The paper is beautiful. You can feel the quality of it. And then we have room for notes. And that is very important to me. So I will be copying this style to make my own when this one is done. And it was $10. You've just got to love the value in this. It is by Posh and Pop. And the other thing that I got that I have been using in my studio and in my bedroom, I have one. Sorry, guys. Is one of these boards. Now, mine has gotten scratched and bumped and dinged and so forth. And when I saw this, it was $14.99. However, I had a coupon for 50% off, so I grabbed myself a replacement one because I use it a lot. All right. And that should be that. Yes, it is. I'll just set that down there. You get a small set of markers. I tend to throw those into the donation box and use my own. But what it is this plexiglass calendar. And every week I will write on it what I have coming up, what I need to be doing in the studio. And this one I see they have changed the base. For better or for worse, I say. It comes with a light in the bottom. I wondered why the bottom felt kind of funky. And then, whew, it shoves into the side like this, which I like, actually, guys. I like that it's nice and tight because my other one would fall out of the base. So you get the idea. I'm not going to force it right now. I want to take it off. I want to give it a good clean, and I want to varnish this piece, and of course put a battery in so that it'll light up. Oh my, maybe I can get it off. And then what you're going to do is, of course, write your information in there. This is once again HomeSense, and I love it. I will probably buy one for my husband because he's busy pouting about the fact that he didn't get one. Then I went on the big T because I have been using double-sided tape in a lot of my cards, right? And this is the double-sided tape I have been using. So it came from Temu. It was a couple of dollars for the package, but what I like about it is this. Ooh, it's a little misshaped, but who cares? It's tape. What I like is how skinny it is for my smaller cuts and projects. Love it, and I have never had an issue with things not sticking. So with that, I am very happy. So there was that. And then my granddaughter has a birthday coming up, so she wanted a headphone holder. She's getting a new pink desk. Everything is in pink in her world. Just 1 second, please. So she is getting a new pink dress, so Nanny to the rescue. I made her this gorgeous pink headphone holder, and I will show you how it works. Just let me unplug my headphones here. Her headphones are, of course, pink and will go good with this cat, but mine are red. So they hang right there on the tail, and down here around the base of the tail, she can place things like extra wires and stuff. But this cat, this cute little kitten, comes as a set of 3. Like, I could print off the other ones in different sizes. So you have one to hold your cell phone, you have one to hold your what am I trying to think of, wires or necklaces or whatever you want. But I printed her the big one for the headphones. So we have that. That turned out great. Then we have this little guy that I am calling Toothless. He turned out great, except, guess what, guys? His teeth wouldn't print. He is toothless. So I made a replacement one for my customer, and I am keeping Toothless. I just had too much fun with that. Now, the other thing that I printed, excuse me, that came as a big surprise was this lovely plate of spaghetti. What was it going to be? Well, according to the description, it was going to be a pumpkin dragon for Halloween. So I think maybe we had a few issues. Luckily, it was kind of a test for the snap maker because the snap maker stopped and said, I detect spaghetti. That's those loose wiry things that you see all around the print. So what a surprise that was this morning when I came down thinking I was going to have this really cute Halloween dragon to show you guys. And instead, I had spaghetti. You gotta expect it to happen sometimes, guys. I think in this case that it happened because of moisture in my filament, which is a shame because look at that face. Look at the detail in that. It would have been a beautiful print. And I will try again after I put my filament through the filament dryer. I will try again and see if we can make you a Halloween print. That brings me to the next point of this video. Yes, it is July. It is Christmas in July. It is Halloween in July. It is whatever in July. So how am I going to base from now until the new year? Well, my thought is this. I am going to do crafting videos still, of course. And this is the way it's going to rotate. There will be a normal video, a Halloween video, a normal video, a Christmas video, a normal video, a Halloween video. Normal, Christmas, normal, Halloween. You get it. And thrown in there amongst all of it, there will be a Remembrance Day video, Thanksgiving video. Okay, guys? I am very much a Remembrance Day person. I am a veteran's wife, and it's very important that I acknowledge that day. So that is how things are going to go moving forward. Now I am going to go and lay out the roadmap and figure out what those projects are going to be. If you would like some input into those projects, please leave some comments, some inspiration, some ideas, some requests in the comments section. I will look and I will try my best to get back to you. For some reason, YouTube is being nasty to me and they are not telling me that I have comments. So I have to sit twice a week and go through each video and answer comments then. Because for some reason, it's not letting me know that there are comments in my comments section. Yes, I've contacted them. I'm waiting for a response. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you get to do something you love. And I will see you in whatever comes next. Bye.